Hello, I am Nahida and welcome to Enoven Foods. Today I am sharing a crispy, cheesy and delicious chicken veggie bites recipe, perfect for iftar snacks, tea time or even as a party appetizer. Let's get started. Start by heating 1 tablespoon of butter in a pan, add 1 teaspoon of grated ginger and garlic, followed by 2 tablespoons of chopped onion and 1 green chili. Saute for 1 minute until fragrant. Now add 1/4 cup of shredded cabbage, 3 tablespoons of carrot and 2 tablespoons of capsicum. Now add half teaspoon of chili flakes, some salt and some black pepper. Stir well to combine. Now I am adding half cup of boiled shredded chicken and mix well with the vegetables. For extra richness, add 3 tablespoons of heavy cream and mix well. This will make the filling soft and flavorful. Now take 2 bread slices and pour 1/4 cup of milk and mix until everything combines into a soft dough-like consistency. For a fresh aroma, add some chopped coriander leaves and mix well. Let the mixture cool down for 5 minutes before shaping the bites. Now I am making flour slurry. For coating, mix 3 tablespoons of flour with half cup of water to make a smooth slurry. Now add some mozzarella cheese to the filling and mix well for a delicious cheesy bite. Now take small portions of the mixture and shape them into bite-sized ovals. Dip each bite into the flour slurry, ensuring an even coating. Then roll it in breadcrumbs for a crispy finish. Now heat oil on the medium heat and gently place the coated bites in the pan. Fry until they turn golden brown and crispy. Keep flipping to ensure an even golden brown color on all sides. Don't forget to like, share, follow and subscribe to Enoven Foods for more easy and tasty recipes. Once done, remove from oil and drain on a paper towel. Look at this crispy golden perfection. Our crispy chicken veggie bites are ready. Crispy on the outside and cheesy and flavorful on the inside. Just perfect. Serve hot with your favorite dip and enjoy!